Dassault Aviation, a leading player in the aerospace industry, is making significant moves to ramp up its production capacity for the Rafale fighter jet to meet increasing global demand. According to reports from Lucie Nouvelle on March 5, 2025, the French manufacturer is actively exploring the possibility of setting up a final assembly line for the Rafale jet in India. This potential move is driven by the growing number of expected orders, particularly from India, as the country is poised to expand its defense procurement. Dassault CEO Eric Trappier highlighted India's upcoming major orders, suggesting that an Indian assembly line would be an ideal solution to manage the heightened production demands. Currently, the company has been steadily increasing the Rafale's production rate to meet both international orders and the growing needs of the French Air and Space Force. Initially producing 2 Rafales per month, Dassault has now reached 3 with plans to escalate to 4, and possibly even 5, aircraft per month, depending on future procurement deals. As of 2024, Dassault delivered 21 Rafales, and it is aiming for 25 deliveries in 2025. The company's current order book includes 230 Rafales, with 164 of these earmarked for export markets and the remaining 56 for France's own military needs. In 2024, Dassault secured €8.3 billion in military contracts, an increase from €6.5 billion in 2023, underscoring the growing demand for its aircraft. The company's military aircraft backlog, which includes Rafales and Falcon jets, now stands at €43.2 billion, a notable rise from €38.5 billion the previous year. While Dassault is pushing to increase its production rates, it faces significant challenges, particularly with supply chain disruptions that have lingered since the pandemic. To address this, the company has opened a new facility in Cergy-Pontoise and is considering further investments in expanding its infrastructure. However, Trappier emphasized that increasing the production rate by even 1 aircraft per month requires about 2 years of work, underscoring the complexity of ramping up operations. Beyond production hurdles, Dassault is also monitoring shifts in U.S. trade policy that could affect its business. A proposed 25% tariff on aircraft imports could impact the sales of Falcon business jets in the U.S., a critical market that accounts for 1/3 of their deliveries. If this policy is implemented, Dassault may need to adjust its pricing strategies. India has long been a key partner for Dassault, having received 36 Rafales under a 2016 contract, with all deliveries completed by 2022. The Indian Air Force is now considering further orders, and the Indian Navy is finalizing its acquisition of 26 Rafale Marine, Rafale M, aircraft for operation on the newly commissioned aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant. The potential establishment of a final assembly line in India aligns with the country's Make in India initiative, which aims to bolster domestic defense manufacturing and reduce dependency on foreign suppliers. Dassault's growing industrial footprint in India has included setting up production partnerships and maintenance infrastructure, which have been integral to supporting the Rafale fleet in the region. Furthermore, India is integrating the Astra Mk-1 missile into its Rafale fleet, enhancing the aircraft's operational capabilities. This integration is part of India's broader effort to strengthen its defense capabilities, as demonstrated by recent successful tests of the Rafale intercepting targets at high altitudes. The Rafale, developed by Dassault Aviation, is renowned for its versatility and capability in a wide range of combat scenarios. It is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter capable of conducting air superiority, strike, reconnaissance, and nuclear deterrence missions. The Rafale's advanced features include the Thales RBE-2 ASA radar, the Spectra electronic warfare system, and an array of precision-guided munitions, such as the Meteor and Mica air-to-air missiles, Scalp cruise missiles, and Exocet anti-ship missiles. The Rafale M, designed specifically for carrier operations, is equipped with a reinforced airframe, strengthened landing gear, and an arrestor hook for landing on aircraft carriers. It is optimized for operations from carriers like INS Vikrant, playing a key role in modernizing India's naval aviation strategy and enhancing its carrier-based fighter capabilities. Dassault Aviation's strategic initiatives, including the potential establishment of an assembly line in India and the continued expansion of production capacity, are designed to position the company to meet the growing demand for its Rafale fighters. As India looks to further integrate advanced capabilities into its military, including the expansion of its Rafale fleet, Dassault is positioning itself as a key partner in the country's defense modernization efforts. With increasing international orders and strong partnerships, Dassault is preparing to maintain its status as a global leader in fighter aircraft production.